When most people hear the name Onicha, they think of one city. But what if Onicha is no longer just a city? What if it has become something much larger? A vast urban region stretching across multiple towns, communities, industrial zones, markets, residential estates, and transportation corridors. Welcome to the Greater Onitsha metropolis. This metropolitan region extends beyond the traditional boundaries of Onicha North and Onicha South. It encompasses rapidly urbanizing communities, including Nkpor, Obosi, Ogidi, Nkwelle-Ezunaka, Ogbaru, and Okpoko. Together, they form one of Nigeria's most densely populated and economically active urban corridors. Various urban studies estimate the wider metropolitan population in the millions, making Greater Onitsha one of the largest urban agglomerations in West Africa. Today, it is difficult to tell where one town ends and where another begins. Roads merge, markets merge, housing estates merge, businesses merge, and together they create a giant urban machine powered by trade, entrepreneurship, transportation, manufacturing, and human ambition. This is the story of cities and towns that make up the Greater Onitsha metropolis. Onicha's rise did not happen overnight. A strategic location along the River Niger transformed it into one of West Africa's greatest trading centers. As trade expanded, population growth spilled beyond the city's original boundaries. Land became scarce, businesses sought expansion, developers searched for cheaper land, families moved outward. The result was the emergence of a continuous urban belt stretching through Idemili North, Oyi, Ogbaru, and neighboring local government areas. Today, Greater Onitsha functions as an interconnected economic region rather than a single municipality. Every morning, hundreds of thousands move between these towns for work, business, education, and commerce. The metropolis never truly sleeps. The first major town is Nkpor, located directly north of Onicha. Nkpor has become one of the fastest growing urban communities in Anambra State. Historically a farming settlement, Nkpor is now heavily urbanized and physically connected to Onicha. It serves as a major transportation gateway linking Onicha to Awka, Enugu, and northern Nigeria. One of the most important features of Nkpor is its strategic road junctions. Thousands of vehicles pass through daily. Commercial plazas, hotels, warehouses, and residential estates now occupy spaces that were once agricultural land. For many investors, Nkpor represents the future direction of Greater Onitsha's expansion. South of Nkpor lies Obosi, one of the oldest communities in the area. Obosi has transformed into a major urban extension of Onicha. Its location makes it a natural bridge between Onicha and neighboring towns. Obosi's growth has been driven largely by housing demand. As land prices in central Onicha rose, thousands of families relocated to Obosi while continuing to work and trade within the city. Today, Obosi contains a mix of traditional neighborhoods and modern residential development. The town demonstrates how Greater Onitsha continues to absorb surrounding communities into a larger metropolitan system. Further north lies Ogidi, known internationally as the hometown of renowned novelist Chinua Achebe. Ogidi occupies a unique place in Igbo history and culture, yet beyond its cultural significance, Ogidi has become a critical part of the metropolitan economy. As headquarters of Ndembili North local government area, Ogidi attracts administrative activities, educational institutions, and commercial enterprises. Major roads connect Ogidi directly to Onicha. New estates continue to emerge. Commercial activities grow yearly. The town illustrates how culture and urbanization can coexist. If there is one town symbolizing the future of Greater Onitsha, it may be Oba. Located along the Onicha-Owerri Road corridor, Oba has witnessed extraordinary growth over the last 2 decades. Industrial development, educational institutions, housing projects, and commercial centers have transformed the landscape. Large tracts of formerly rural lands have become urbanized. Many businesses now choose Oba because land remains more available compared to central Onicha. The town's proximity to the commercial city makes it attractive to investors seeking expansion opportunities. As Onicha continues to grow southward, Oba is becoming one of the most important growth poles. Nkwelle-Ezunaka occupies a strategic position east of Onicha. The town has become known for its educational institutions, manufacturing activities, and residential development. Its location provides direct access to major transportation routes, industrial facilities, and logistic operation increasingly view Nkwelle-Ezunaka as an attractive location because of its connectivity and available space. Students, workers, traders, and entrepreneurs converge here daily. The town continues to strengthen its role as one of Greater Onitsha's most important support centers. No discussion of Greater Onitsha is complete without Ogbaru. Situated along the River Niger, Ogbaru plays a unique role in the metropolitan economy. The area is known for river commerce, agriculture, transportation, and growing urban settlement. Its proximity to Onicha makes it a vital economic partner. Communities such as Atani, Odekbe, and others contribute to regional trade networks. Ogbaru's strategic river location has historically supported commerce and transportation throughout the Niger Basin. As transportation infrastructure improves, Ogbaru's importance is expected to increase dramatically. Perhaps no town better represents urban transformation than Okpoko. Located just south of Onicha, Okpoko became one of the most densely populated communities in Anambra State. For years, it struggled with infrastructure challenges, yet recent urban renewal efforts have begun changing the town's image. New roads, improved drainage, better accessibility, growing investment. These developments are gradually transforming Okpoko into a more organized environment. Because of its location, Okpoko remains one of the most strategically important communities within the metropolitan area. What really unites these towns is economics. Every day, millions of naira flow through the metropolitan region. Goods arrive from Lagos, products come from Aba, agricultural produce enter from neighboring states, imported items move inland through trade networks. The economic influence of Onicha extends far beyond the city itself. The surrounding towns provide housing, transportation, industrial land, labor, logistics, and commercial support. Together, they create one of Nigeria's most powerful urban economies. Growth brings opportunities, but it also creates challenges. Traffic congestion, housing shortages, flood management, waste disposal, urban planning, transportation infrastructure, environmental sustainability. These issues affect virtually every metropolitan area worldwide. Greater Onitsha faces similar pressure as urbanization continues. Managing future growth will require coordinated planning across multiple local government areas and communities. The successes of the metropolis may depend on how effectively these challenges are addressed. The future of Greater Onitsha may already be unfolding. Urban development continues to spread. New roads are opening, housing estates are multiplying, industrial investments are increasing, population growth remains strong. Experts increasingly view Greater Onitsha as one of Nigeria's most significant emerging metropolitan regions. Various studies describe the wider urban area as among the country's largest and most economically influential urban corridors. What began as a riverside trading settlement has evolved into a vast interconnected urban network. Nkpor, Obosi, Ogidi, Nkwelle-Ezunaka, Nsugbe, Ogbaru, and Okpoko. Together, these communities form something greater than the sum of their parts. They form Greater Onitsha, a metropolis built by commerce, driven by entrepreneurship, connected by culture, and powered by the relentless energy of its people. If you enjoyed this documentary, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more in-depth documentaries on the cities, economy, infrastructure, and development of Southeast Nigeria. Leave a comment below. Which town do you think has the brightest future in the Greater Onitsha metropolis? Nkpor, Obosi, Ogidi, Oba, Nkwelle-Ezunaka, Nsugbe, Ogbaru, or Okpoko? Subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss our next documentary on the transformation of Eastern Nigeria. Greater Onitsha is not just growing, it is redefining what urban development looks like in southeastern Nigeria, from the bustling corridors of Nkpor to the river communities of Ogbaru, from the cultural heritage of Ogidi to the urban renewal of Okpoko. Each town contributes a unique chapter to the story of one of Nigeria's most remarkable metropolitan regions. The question is no longer whether the Greater Onitsha will continue to grow. The real question is, how big will it be in the next 20 years?